Hi, this is Toshi and you're watching India.com. So when will the Cbse announce class 10th and class 12th term 1 exam results is the question lakhs of students across India are asking for the past many weeks. Well, we have got some really good news for you as the Central Board of Secondary Education is likely to declare the results now anytime. So now you must be wondering as to how you can check your results online. So for your information, the Cbse Term 1 results for class 10 and 12th will be available on the official websites, that is cbseresults.nic.in and also on cbse.gov.in. But it will also be available on the DigiLocker website and its mobile app. So what happens is that many times the Cbse site gets flooded as lakhs of students get on the site to know their results at the same time. So in this video, we will tell you the step-by-step process as to how you can check your results on the DigiLocker website and app if you get stuck on the Cbse website. So firstly, you just simply visit the official website, that is digilocker.gov.in. And then under the education section of the DigiLocker website, click on Central Board of Secondary Education. Then select class 10th or 12th, whichever class you're in, passing certificate, and class 10th and class 12th, that is your mark sheet. But, hang on. These links will only be available once the result is declared. So after that, simply you can access your mark sheet or the certificate by using your registered mobile number with Cbse. So this is how you can simply check your Cbse results on the DigiLocker website. Well, now let's see how you can check your results on the DigiLocker app. So firstly, you have to download the DigiLocker app either from Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS, and you just have to install it. Then open the app and click Access DigiLocker. Then you simply have to just enter your phone number that is registered with Cbse, and then you can access your Cbse mark sheet and certificate. Isn't it very simple? So by simply following these steps, you can get to know your Cbse Term 1 results for class 10th or class 12th, whichever you're looking for. While if you need more information, you can simply log into our website India.com, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.